Kagan ineno migago yo makare. Gladys Onyango, Pascal Olajo, kauntiere Nyasore School Kabondo, wacho ni un bende ukete mana ka kendo neno weche manyien mag migago yo makare. Alice Abia, mama kawuok Rembo Siwandhe, mawuok kam Rembo Siwandhe, wacho ni Milton Ochieng, aneno Ramogi TV kan Siranga, kaeto Calvin Sojwang Marongo Kamagambo, wacho ni watching live from Nairobi, gi Aroji Chogo kod Okoth Jarapogi, kaeto machielo bende Calvin inuoye ahinya kata kamano wabro dhi nyime. Kar thieth mar Omnicare Medical matiyo kokalo nying mar body ma by design odhi e doho mar seyo loro kargi mar tichno kod Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council KMPDC. Gidwaro ni doho mondo chung KMPDC kuom chungo tijegi ma pile ka pile ka githegore kod timo bero moro manokelo tho mar miyo moro mong'ere kaka Lucy Wamboi Kamau. Kokalo kuom okil margi Danston Omari, giwacho ni gin kod lakteche ma olony e timo bero mag dusruok. KMPDC noloro apoya kar thiethno ka gavana machon ma Nairobi Mike Sonko nomonjo kar thiethno tok tho mar Lucy.
There have been various social media postings and allegations about the circumstances surrounding the death of Lillian. We have seen the postings. They are all over the social media. However, we would like to inform members of the public not to rely on all the posts that they are seeing, not to rely for information on social media. We are hoping that my client or our client, the facility from which Lillian had an operation, we are hoping that our client will be given an opportunity to say exactly what happened, why Lillian came to their facility, what they did with Lillian to the best of their knowledge, so that we stop all the half-truths that are circulating on social media.
All the doctors who work in this facility are licensed by the Kenya Medical Dentist Board. They are equally licensed by the body that deals with cosmetics surgery, plastic surgery. Nobody operates here without that certification.